Okay, Polo, this is for the staff and the teachers. I'm going to talk about a way that you can record an individual lesson and save it to your Google Drive and then just share that with your students in case you don't want to have like a lengthy face-to-face meeting or lesson. Once again, we are actually going to use Google Meet for this feature. They have the ability to record a session. Now there are some issues with consent with your students, so I would not necessarily recommend recording while students are in session, but if you want to host a solo Meet session, do your recording and then share the video, that would be fine because you yourself are giving consent because you are doing the recording. So once again, to get this started, you have your Google Classroom, everything looks great. Now you're going to go back once again to meet.google.com and you are going to start a new meeting session. Once that initiates and sets up everything, you are going to go ahead and join the meeting. For this case, we're not going to share it with any of the students. We're just going to do a regular recording. So in the bottom right hand corner where the three ellipses are, go ahead and break that up and you now have an option that says record meeting. Go ahead and click that. And this is where Google lists out the consent. You have to have the consent of all meeting participants in order to actually do the recording. That's why I recommend that you do not do this with students in the meeting, but just host a solo session for a video that you wish to share. Go ahead and click accept. In the bottom left, recording will start soon. Should go away, give you a little blip, and if you check, yes, the red record button is on. This presentation is recording. Go ahead and once again do a present now, your entire screen. Choose your screen in case you have more than one monitor. Get that going. And then as you can see, I'm just going to go back to my presentation. La-di-da, I'm a nerd, IT stuff, computers, networking. I have internet. This is great. Go ahead and finish your presentation. Return to Google Meet. You can stop sharing the presentation if you wish. Go back in, have some final closing comments. It's been a pleasure having you watch my video. This is so smart and so cool and everything is amazing. And when you are done, once again, go down to the bottom right hand corner and choose stop recording. And once again, now in the bottom left, it's going to be saving it to your Google Drive. Now this is a part where you need to exercise a great deal of patience because what Google is going to do is to take this streaming content and it has to convert it into a Google Drive usable format. What Google Meet does do is it will send you an email informing you when the recording is actually uploaded and complete. So in this case, I did some earlier recordings. I've got a Google Meet reply that says it's done. You can go ahead and open that in Drive if you wish, and it'll take you straight to it. Or if you go to your Google Drive and kind of refresh that, all of your videos should go in a new folder that this creates for you called Meet Recordings. And from there you can go in. I would suggest renaming, renaming the file to something that makes sense. And then from there you can share that. Oh, sorry, let's try that again. Get shareable link, copy that, and then once again you're in Google Classroom. Go straight back to that, and now you can once again disseminate this information or this recording to your students. And of course, leveraging Google Classroom, you can ask for some sort of classroom participation. Let's have some comments, tell me about such and such. So you can still use Google Classroom to leverage this entire discussion as well once you actually do the initial recording. And that is really all there is to it, and then likely just hang up and you're done. Thank you for watching my video.